Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mexican-style macaroni salad. Gather your ingredients and start by boiling salted water for elbow macaroni until al dente. While the pasta cooks, chop tomatoes, jalapeno, red onion, cilantro, and diced bell pepper into small uniform pieces. Prepare a dressing combining mayonnaise, Mexican crema, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. Rinse and cool the pasta quickly, then toss with chopped vegetables and dressing to meld flavors. Warm and conversational, this step walks you through making the dressing that defines the salad. In a bowl, whisk mayonnaise with Mexican crema until smooth, then squeeze in fresh lime juice for tang. Season with ground cumin and smoked paprika for that distinctive smoky, earthy note, plus salt to taste. Stir in finely chopped cilantro and minced jalapeno to brighten the mix and taste to adjust heat. Combine with pasta when ready for a lively balance of cream and spice. This portion gently guides you through assembly and final tweaks for best results. Add the cooled pasta to the dressing and fold carefully so the shapes keep their texture but get fully coated. Taste and adjust with more lime juice, salt, or a touch of hot sauce if you want extra kick. For the best flavor, refrigerate the salad for at least 1 hour so the ingredients meld, then garnish with extra cilantro and a lime wedge before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.